To configure Odoo with PyCharm, follow these steps to set up the environment and enable efficient development within the PyCharm IDE. Install Odoo. First, ensure you have Odoo installed on your system. You can download Odoo from the official Odoo website or use a package manager like pip or git to clone the repository. Make sure to install necessary dependencies for your Odoo version. Install Python Interpreter. Open PyCharm and navigate to File, Settings, Project, Python Interpreter. Ensure that the correct Python interpreter is selected for your Odoo environment. Set up Odoo project. Create a new Python project in PyCharm and select your Odoo folder as the project directory. Go to File, Open and choose the folder where you have installed Odoo or cloned the repository. PyCharm will recognize the Odoo files as part of the project. Install dependencies. Open the terminal in PyCharm and run the following to install all required dependencies for Odoo. Ensure PostgreSQL is installed and running since Odoo requires it. Configure Odoo for development. In Run or Debug configurations, set up a new configuration for running Odoo with parameters like the config file path. In the Python interpreter, point to the Odoo Python dependencies. Start development. Now you can use PyCharm's features like debugging, code completion, and version control for efficient Odoo development. Simply run Odoo from PyCharm or use a terminal.